In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a 100% save file in Hitman Absolution. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open the save file and for GOG version users open this folder and for Steam version users open Steam folder. Now you need to find your game save location. For the people who can't find a save file location, then check my video description for the save location. Press Windows key and R key together and type percentage local data percentage again. Click on OK. Open this git draw and open 203140 storage and before dropping the save, you need to pack up your game progress. Right click on blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder backup and drag and drop this game progress inside. Drag and drop the 100% save file in this location and launch the game. Once you are in game, select the level select and choose the level. And choose the story you like to play. And as you can see, the save file is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.